Good morning, respected father, sisters, teachers, and my dear friends. I myself, Bhavnagar Rathod from Standard 9C. Daily prayer has profound impact on our physical health. It gives us positive attitude towards our life. It strengthens us during our troubling times. It helps us to forgive everyone and love them. So let us all take prayer position and ask God to teach us to forgive others and love them.
Make me a channel of your peace. Where there is danger, let me bring your love. Where there is injury, your pardon, Lord. And where there's doubt to faith in you. Oh, Master, grant that I may never see so much to be consoled as to console, to be understood as to understand, to be loved as to love with all my soul. Make me a channel of your peace. Where there is despair in life, let me bring your hope. Where there is darkness, Lord, pour shining light. And where there's sadness, ever joy. Oh, Master, grant that I may never see so much to be consoled as to console, to be understood as to understand, to be loved as to love with all my soul. Make me a channel of your peace. It is in pardoning that we are pardoned, in giving to all men that we receive, and in dying that we are born to eternal life. Oh, Master, grant that I may never see so much to be consoled as to console, to be understood as to understand, to be loved as to love with all my soul. Make me a channel of your peace.
Eternal God, Creator of all, I firmly believe that I am now in your presence. I adore your divine majesty and I ask of you to enlighten my mind that I may know you more clearly and to move my heart that I may love you above all things and my fellow beings. Help me to be a torchbearer of your wisdom.
Now I would like to invite Hetanshi for thought of the day.
Hi, my name is Makwana Hetanshi from Standard 9th B. I'm standing here to say a thought of a moment. Is that sometimes you didn't know the value of the moments until it becomes an memories. It means that memory is the most of the admirable traits of a human physiologist. However, like the other side of the coin, it has some negative aspect as well for the intense. If you have some dark memories hidden inside you, it will bother you. But if you have some positive memories inside your head, you can live with them for the rest of your life. Therefore, you can live some happy moments, so it will have some happy memories. So always enjoy small moments in your life. Thank you.
Thank you, Hetanshi, for valuable thought. So stay positive, do positive, think positive, and make every moment of every day memorable. I hope you have a great day today.